Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. So now let's just get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Gold Beast Pro. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Mark Henning Hrushka, and the EA is priced at $40 to buy. It's on version 1.7. Now, scrolling into the description, this is built specifically for XAUUSD, all right, and it is designed to run fully automatically with with what the developer describes as smart market adaptation and controlled risk management aimed at traders who want a low maintenance setup without constant monitoring. Okay, now going through the features, this includes compatibility with any time frame, all right, and dynamic risk management and VPS friendly execution, positioned as suitable for both beginners and advanced traders. Moving into the recommended settings, the developer specifically recommends XM as a broker, a starting balance of $300 or higher, a low spread account type, and leverage of 1:500 or higher. All right, and then the installation is pretty straightforward. Okay, you just attached the EA to the XAUUSD chart, you enable auto trading and allow DLL imports if required, and then with the VPS recommended for the best performance. The listing closes with a standard risk disclaimer noting that the developer is not responsible for losses related to slippage, execution delays, or market conditions. All right, so it's important to take note of that. Now, let us get into the backtest that I ran myself. But before that, I can see that the seller included a backtest result here showing 100% history quality, initial deposit of $300, total net profit over 300%. Okay, very interesting. In this case, we had total trades 273 and the win rate of just 27.47%. But let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see the test I conducted myself. So this test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net profit of just over $2,290. Now let us break down how it got there. And there is an important detail in the drawdown figures worth understanding first. This covered XAUUSD on the H1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026 with history quality at 99%. Now, across 452 total trades, the win rate came in low at just 25%. It's not far away from the results that we saw on the MQL5 Marketplace page. I mean, the win rate to be specific. But then the average winning trades were considerably larger than the average losing trades. We can see that the average profit was 580.95, while the average loss was 186.89. So the difference is quite substantial. All right. And then we can also see that it is actually over 3 times, the size, right? Or it should be close to 3 times or so the difference between the average profit and the average loss. Okay, which is why the account still ended up positive, despite most individual trades closing at losses. Now, the maximum drawdown reached just under 45% on both a balance and equity basis. All right, the balance was under 45%, but the equity was a little bit over 45%. Okay, well, it is substantial. It's a substantial swing relative to the net profits achieved. Okay, now the profit factor came in at just 1.04, essentially barely above break even, and the recovery factor was low at 0.29. So that combination, a thin overall edge paired with a large drawdown, is worth taking seriously, since it means this result came from a relatively small number of larger wins carrying a much higher number of smaller losses, and that pattern can be sensitive to how market conditions shift. Okay, so now one of the observations that I'm seeing here on the trade history is that the EA seems to be the type that executes trade almost back to back. You can see the difference, the spacing between trades are not so much. Okay, in this case there are quite a number of candles before we had a trade executed here, and then after that was closed. It wasn't long after this closed that a trade was opened, and then you can see here again the spacing between these two trades were not much, just about 2 to 3 hours. And then here we can see that the spacing are not much. Okay, almost back to back trades, right? So the EA seems to be the type to always look for opportunities in the market. Immediately one trade is closing, is looking for another one, and so on, right? But there are exceptions, right? Because you can see that in some cases there were quite a number of hours between trades, but not in all cases. Looking at the balance and equity curve, I can see a zigzag movement here. Zigzag movements climbing up and then zigzag movements coming down. Pretty unstable. All right, but overall, based on what we can see here, it still ended up as a net profit. Now, I'm going to recommend testing this EA over additional periods yourself, and then paying close attention to how it handles extended losing streaks, given how large the drawdown ran relative to the modest net result. So, who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based only on what we can see here, the net result was positive, but the drawdown and the thin profit factor suggest that this needs careful risk sizing before considering life use. Okay, and as always, no EA is universally suitable. So you want to test thoroughly and size positions conservatively, given the drawdown observed here. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.